Hello guys, let's read this article, how to resize a root partition in Linux. So you want to resize the root partition, it's tricky. You can read and follow this Medium article. If you want, you can search this article, how to resize a root partition in Linux. You want to follow, okay. So the size of image was around 3 GB per VM on Azure for a root device, and the author wanted to extend the partition to 10 GB for the root device. So resizing a Linux root file system involves 3 steps: recreating the partition with desired size. So using the fdisk command, it prints out what you want to do. So first the author runs fdisk and then types help, which leads the help. So the 5 steps includes printing the existing partition table, deleting the existing partition, creating a new partition with the same first sector number, specifying the last sector if needed, print the newly created partition table, and write the partition table. So the author is doing sudo fdisk dev/sta, which lists the device sta1, and the command is selecting the partition using D, and the command P for printing the partition, which lists the status. And the author want to create a new primary partition and print the values, and the author writes the changes back. So the kernel should be informed about the updated partition table, which can be done by either part probe or kpartx using the part probe /dev/sta. There's a warning that the kernel failed to read the partition, and the changes will reflect until after the reboot. So after the part probe is successfully run, and to resize the root file system, you can check the file system using eto files check and then resize it. So checking the files on dev and sta1 and resizing the file system to dev/sta1. It lets to resize the root file system without requiring to reboot the system. So you are not required to reboot the system. So all you did is created the new partition, the primary partition, and printed the start and end for the blocks by altering the partition table. I hope you learned something about resizing the root file system on Linux and Debian system. Thank you guys.